Hello guys, you want to learn how to draw the no symbol in Illustrator the simplest way and in the least possible time. Follow with me. First, we will create a circle without fill. Shift, Alt, we make a stroke for it in red. Go to the linear segment tool. Go to the center of the circle and drag while pressing the Alt and Shift buttons. Rotate the line while holding the Shift button to a 45-degree angle. Select all. Go to an object and expand. Select all. Shape building tool. Select all. Go to Window and Pathfinder. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials and I'll see you next time.